Shoot it again, buddy.
No.
There you go.
Sounds like.
Pull it again.
That's it. He fired off 3.
Good job.
Good morning, everybody. We are here in Pickett County, Georgia at the American Legion. For Pickett County, I believe it's 149, and we're having a ride from here from Pickett Counties over to my stomping grounds, the 5th Ranger Training Battalion, and it's going to be about a 2-hour ride. Most of it's going to be some forest roads and all that, but it's going to be an easy ride, and we're going to take you along for the ride. So let's flip this camera around and see some of the Jeeps here. So we got another Gladiator here. Got some Mickey Thompsons. Okay, so we got some here. And we got old Buster here. Got another Jeep. Gino. 392. Old Sea Dog. They're still rolling in. Hey everybody, okay, let's do a walkthrough through the lineup of all the Jeeps here. Got the Pickett County Jeep from American Legion's 149. And we'll flip around and check out some of the Jeeps. Okay. We got the Christian Jeep Association where we see them all at all the events. The Tito. We got old Willie. We got a whiskey drinker. She's going to go around the checkpoints and not stop. Sports here. We got another Wrangler. Oh, we got another Berman. He's going to avoid the checkpoints so he doesn't get pulled over. Mr. Bourbon. How about them dogs? I'll double check, but I think he said 15. 392. And then we got the money pit. Just empty every pocket.
freedom wheels, right, put on by the Sons of the American Legion. I'm the new commander of the American Legion here, Post 149 in Jasper. And the Sons of the American Legion is open to anyone who's had a father or grandfather that has served in the military. You're welcome to join the Sons. And if you're a veteran, you're welcome to join the American Legion here in Jasper. We're doing a lot of cool stuff with the veterans, trying to take care of them, support them any way we can, as well as getting into the schools and promoting Americanism, teaching them about
spot report. That'll be the ranger instructor giving those spot reports to the rangers. If they accumulate enough, they'll have to go in front of the board, talk to the battalion commander or the brigade commander, and then those spots can have them either recycle the phase or they can be dropped from the course. And then, as I mentioned before, patrols. Okay, so if they fail enough patrols, they could be dropped from the course. So once they get here, we'll start with the initial in-processing, and then we go through our mountaineering. Okay, so our mountaineering is at the beginning, we'll go to lowers. So, once they get here, we'll start with the initial in-processing, and then we go through our mountaineering. Okay, so our mountaineering is at the beginning, we'll go to lowers. So,
lay on your belly, buddy. Hey, lay down. There you go. All right. So now this is just, you go ahead and lay down a little bit. There you go. And then I'm going to take this and put this on your shoulder like that, okay? Got it? All right. Now you're going to take this hand, or you can just let your arm hit the ground. There you go. And you can take this hand here, you're going to put it right there, and lay your cheek on your hand. Does that hurt? Does it hurt? Okay, here, we'll do this.
Hey, keep on. He's going to teach you how to shoot it.
Here you go. We won't put it on your shoulder. How about that?
Just pull the trigger.
That's probably good. All right. All right. That's our safety. So you're going to want to push that button over that way. Keep your finger off the trigger for a second. Push this button. Ready? All right. If you squeeze that trigger, it's going to start firing. Okay. All right, whenever you're ready, you can squeeze that
And you
trigger.
can let go when you want.
Pull, buddy.
You shoot it again, buddy.
No, you don't. One time's enough. Really?
He's like, I'm done.
Hey, I took your tooth out.
Only one time?
Right here. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt you, I promise you. That's it. Here, pull the trigger. I'm not putting it up against you. Here. Pull the trigger. Pull. Pull the trigger.
There you go.
Bingo, sounds like.
Pull it again.
Doesn't it? He fired off 3.
good job.
First Sergeant used to stay. First Sergeant Bradbury. Home of the blueberries. Parking spot.